Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping in on Hashing24. It's going to be the first time we come back since the last time we bought a contract, so keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so Hashing24. Now, the last time we were here was when we purchased our 3 terahash contract, and that was around the beginning of March. I believe it was about the 1st or the 2nd of March, and since then I have been inundated with messages, DMs and PMs asking about this program. I know because a lot of you are not familiar with this program, even though I have done earlier videos on this Hashing24 platform, which was maybe a couple of years back, and obviously since then I've had a lot of new subscribers. So a lot of the questions that I am going to address today, I know many of you probably would have already heard the answers, but it's just for new subscribers and new viewers. So basically, let's get on with it. So obviously the first question that is always asked about any of these programs is it legit? Basically, the only thing I can tell you is that Hashing24 has been around since 2013. They have been a cloud mining platform since that time. They got themselves through the big downturn of BTC in 2018, as I always refer back to when BTC first really shot up in 2017 to 20,000. At that point, there was cloud mining programs popping up left, right, and center, and then come to early 2018. And BTC absolutely plummeted down to about $3,000, and so many of those programs just literally disappeared. They just couldn't handle, or they were not prepared for that to happen, which I personally think is just bad planning. At the end of the day, just because something is going up, you can't believe that it is going to go up forever, especially something that at that time was very volatile like BTC. Okay, so like I say, Hashing24 has been around for a very long time. I have invested in this platform back in 2019 to 2020, and I did receive my payouts from that, which I have shown in the previous video to this. And for those of you that just want a quick overview of the program and what has happened previous to this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to that earlier video, which is just going to give you a bit of a summary and a better look at how purchasing contracts and stuff like that work. Go and check that out. And if you go to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. Okay, so obviously the other big question is about purchasing contracts. How long are their contracts and stuff like that, which is all covered in that earlier video, but I will quickly go through it with you today. So basically they always have, so they have 2 types of contracts. As you can see, this is a 12-month plan and that's a 12-month plan, but you can see that they are different prices. So basically this one, which is will be an initial lower outlay of cash or coins, but with that you will have to pay a 3,000 Satoshi per day maintenance fee. So if you go for the slightly higher plan, there is no maintenance fee. So they always have those 2 contracts. And then time-wise, you have a 12-month, an 18-month, a 24-month, and a 30-month. I don't think there's anything. Yeah, so a 30-month. So you have multiple different types of contracts, but you have the 2 different ways they are set up. So obviously it is basically down to your discretion as to which contract that you decide to take. But the way you've got to think, 3,000 on a 12-month plan is, so if we just get our calculator, so what we're going to be looking at is 3,000 satoshis per day. So 3,000 times 7, so that's going to be a week, times 4 essentially, so that is a month, and then we're going to times that by 12 equals 1,008,000 satoshis. So that's 1,008,000 satoshis you're going to be paying on top of your payment. So if we look at the difference in price, just obviously it's only on a 12-month plan for 1 gigahash. You're going to be looking at essentially a $5.20 difference, okay? But and for one gigahash, that is all you're paying at 99.30. So that is all you're paying. But with this plan, you're paying this much on top. So if we copy this, we go into our cryptocurrency converter. So we go 0.0 there, and then we go BTC and USD, and then we're going to be looking at the extra you're going to be paying. So you're actually going to be paying at the current price $548 over that 12-month period. That is what the extra you're going to be paying. But if you bought that just as an extra $5 layout, that's it. That is all you're going to be paying for that contract. So obviously this looks more enticing and you think 3,000 satoshis, well, that's absolutely nothing. But when you add it up per day, per week, per month, and on a year basis, you're going to be paying nearly $600 in maintenance fees. So like I say, and obviously if you want to be doing an 18-month, 24-month or 30-month contract, that is, that suddenly the cost of that maintenance fee is just escalating time and time again. So just bear that in mind. I like to point these things out to you because the last thing I want is, and I've always said this, is the last thing I want any of you guys is to be losing money. So just bear that in mind. For that small initial extra outlay, it is definitely worth taking the no maintenance fee contract, which is what I did. And the other big question that I've got, and which is also again covered in the previous video, is basically people or countries that are allowed to sign up to this. I did say in the previous video, and it is extremely unfortunate, but Hashing24 does not allow US residents, so that's residents of the United States of America, to sign up to this program. I am extremely sorry about that. I am in the current process of looking for other proper cloud mining platforms, as I have been contacted numerous times about the fact that you guys can't sign up to Hashing24. So don't worry, I am on the lookout for other platforms that you can sign up to and that we will be using in the future. But unfortunately, right at this moment, you cannot sign up to Hashing24. So I'm going to say something which I have not said in a very long time now. I used to say this on all of my videos, and many of you, my old subscribers, will remember, but I've not said it for such a long time, and I don't know why I stopped saying it. But anyway, just as a warning, any investment, any program, no matter what it is, even if it is a free faucet, nothing is 100% guaranteed to be around forever, to work 100%, to never change, to never go wrong. So you've always got to bear that in mind. If you are looking to invest in any of these programs that I bring to you, always think about that. Don't take money from your banks if you can help it. My advice is always to use free faucets, build up coins in those free faucets, then withdraw them into an investment program or into a program you wish to invest in. Because at the end of the day, if you do that and that program then fails or something changes, the only thing you have lost is your time, which is the time that you've spent building up those coins in those free faucets. On the other hand, if you don't want to do that, but you still want to invest in the programs, then use money that you can afford to lose. Now, I always say it sounds weird when I say that, because obviously at the end of the day, we are here to build and earn coins from these programs. But like I say, nothing is 100% guaranteed. So do not use money you need for rent. Do not use money you need for groceries, your kids' college fund, car payments, anything like that. Only use money that is spare, and that if something does go wrong, it is not going to make a massive difference to your life. So on that note, let's go and check out our contract and see how we've done. Okay, so here is our statement, and as you can see, basically the first payment came in on the 4th of March, and that was for 1,978. And as we go up the column, you can see that pretty much the payments are relatively consistent, with a slight drop at this point, which is when I think that there was a drop in the price of, well, quite a considerable drop in the price of Bitcoin. And you can see here that as we go up, the balance is building, and then this is our final total to today. So we're on the 17th of March. You can see there that that is the payment that we received for today, so 1,966 BTC, and this is the final the current total that is in our account, so at 43,797. So that is what's at 13 days. So just under around about 2 weeks, we've made 43,797 BTC. You can see that we're getting consistent payments with no maintenance fee, and our balance is building nicely. So if you are interested in those earlier videos that I talked about, they're probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.